Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Romeo, and today I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you can start trading with just $100. Okay, even if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to tell you step-by-step guide so that way you know how to start your own trading business. But just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. So that being said, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before risking any money. Um, but number one is going to be choose your trading style, right? You can start with $100, but you got to pick a style that fits you, right? Um, are you going to do long-term investing? It's going to be a little bit less stressful. It's going to be great for beginners. Are you going to be doing swing trading? Short-term trades lasting days, maybe even weeks, and a day trader, which is not recommended, but it is something that I partake in. Especially with $100, it's super risky. Fees are high, spreads high, and there's a lot that you need to get into before you start doing that. And I'll break that down, further down the line. Um, for this tutorial, I do recommend long-term or swing trading just because $100 with your goal is growth and not just gambling, okay? And that's why, you have to know the terms and your style before you get into this. Um, you're gonna need a broker, right? You're gonna need to pick a platform which you can actually deposit your money and trade on, right? You want to go with a broker with not a big deposit fee, um, fractional shares preferably, especially if you have low capital, and low fees, as well as an easy interface so you can navigate the website, navigate the brokerage, and kind of do it with ease. You don't want to have something that's super complicated, over the top. Some of these examples for some of the brokers that you could use: one is Robinhood, Webull, Trading 212, or some interactive brokers. You just gotta pick whichever one is available, wherever country you're in or wherever you are in the world. But do your own research, especially on those brokers, because every broker is gonna be catered towards either the client or themselves, and you just have to kind of pick and choose what you want to do. Beginners are always going to lose money, so do not chase the money. If you're in this for quick money, then I suggest you probably switch to a different route. But if you're in it for the long term and consistency, I know that you're going to see really good gains, and you know, I hope to see you in the next videos. Um, so focus on stable assets like index funds, blue chips, and just large established companies. If you wanted to get into crypto, you could do something like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but you want to choose something that's going to be more stable, like the S&P 500s, ETFs, SPY, VU, especially with like a smaller account, right? My recommendation for small accounts is going to be probably do 50% into a stable ETF, 30% of your capital into some stocks, and 20% kept as cash just in case you get a dip in the market and you have an opportunity. This gives you more room, more structure to avoid just random guesses and gambling, right? With only $100, you're going to need risk management. It's going to be everything for you, right? So do not put more than 10 or 20% of your account on one single trade. Please do not do that. Do not over leverage. Do not chase pumps. Don't panic. Take your setup, take your trade, take your strategy, whatever you do, just don't panic, and please follow your plan, right? And keep learning. The biggest thing people do is just stop learning, or just stop trading overall once they realize that their one strategy doesn't work, right? Trading or investing is a skill. Watch the charts, read news, learn the basics. You know, You got to learn everything so that way you can understand how the market moves for yourself, right? Learn your market psychology, learn your risk to reward, and master your strategy. My last tips, right? Add to the account regularly. $10 a week, $20 a week, whatever it is. Stick to your plan and don't expect profits right away. Focus on learning the skill set, not winning every trade. If you stay consistent, I guarantee you'll be able to grow your $100 faster than you think. If you found this helpful, make sure you guys hit that like button, follow, and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more videos. Make sure you guys drop a comment saying $100 start so that I know that you made it to the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.